While cutting a bunch of pieces on my small parts sled, I noticed a problem. Actually, I've always known this problem, but failed to ever put much thought into solving it. The problem is the copious amounts of sawdust that sprays back at me with every cut. And I know some of you are going to say that the problem you see here is that there's no blade protection back there, but hear me out. The way this sled works makes it impossible to put my fingers in the path of the blade. One hand is away from the blade holding material. The other slides out of the way with each cut because of this stop block slidey thingy sliding over so that offcuts don't get pinched against the blade. This is probably the most useful sled I've ever made. Before you ask, no, I don't have plans for it, but I did make a video on it several years ago, and I will link that video down below in the description. Now back to the real issue here, which is the sawdust. Here's how I'm going to fix this. And if you're planning on making a new sled, or if you just want to revamp an old sled that you already have like I'm doing here, I highly encourage you to give this a try. Fasten a solid block of wood on the rear of the sled, which yes, will be beneficial to protect your fingies, but if you size it to the max height of your saw blade and size it deep enough to fully capture the blade at max height, most of the sawdust is going to get routed back down into the throat plate and sucked away with your dust collection. Now, it's not perfect and it doesn't capture 100% of the debris, but it is an inexpensive improvement that might be worth a try. So there you go, a quick and easy upgrade that tackles safety and sawdust, which is a win in my book.